Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. In this video, I would like to talk about the same theme that I have been talking for year 2022. Energy, aka oil stocks. So, if the oil price is $120 and the inflation rate is 8%, and if Fed increases the interest rates 4 times this year, is your portfolio ready? Let me talk about it. Okay. So again, this is not an investment advice. This is not really to pump oil stocks. This is the trend that you can expect this year and next year continue based on oil and energy demand and where OPEC is on oil and other multiple issues going on in oil market. Okay. So again, as I said, this is not investment advice. Please do your own research before buying any stock. Okay. So a few weeks back when I took videos about best stocks that will be for 2022, the top one was Berkshire, the next one was Chevron. So basically one is value stock, other one is energy stock. And the reason for this is purely rotation. So Berkshire stock went up by 30 points, Microsoft went down by 30 points. Similarly, tech sector went down by almost 15 to 20%. The energy ETF XLE went up by 20% in last 3 weeks. So the reason for all is pure rotation of money into value and energy and some financial stocks. Okay. So if you are, so there are multiple chances you can invest in. Still again, a lot of no PE stocks, high growth stocks. This year I strongly believe energy and stocks is the one way to go to balance your portfolio. So if you look at here, Morgan Stanley predicts that Brent crude prices will hit $90 by end of third quarter. I bet this $90 can be even happen in second quarter itself or even first quarter. Okay. While JP Morgan has forecasting a oil to hit $125 before this end of the year, whereas by 2023 he's expecting $150. So this is not my estimates, these are the top financial analyst estimates that they're predicting oil prices. And again, the people that I follow who manage billions of dollars, they have rotated into a lot of oil. Okay, this is the reason. So somebody thinks 90, somebody thinks 100, somebody thinks 125, somebody thinks $150. In either case, there is high chances that oil to hit $100 per barrel. In that case, so if you take Exxon and Chevron, they break even at $50 barrel. So $50 per barrel or $60 per barrel profit is billions and billions of dollars every quarter. So nobody can make more free cash flow than these energy companies or oil drilling companies such as Schlumberger and Halliburton. So the easiest money to make in 2022 could be energy, oil again. So I'm not saying this is going to happen. This is purely one of the hypotheses or estimates, but oil can easily hit $100 and $120 by end of the year if there is output is not increased and there is no more variants of Omicron, or that's assuming that pandemic goes down and there is no major refactor of oil to increase production. Okay, so oil systematically now investments were made for last couple of years and the demand has been going up. So that's the reason why the oil price could go to $90, then $100 or $120. So how do you play this oil market in 2022 and 2023? So there are two ways to buy oil. So oil stocks, I meant. So one is USO, oil futures. There is more risky, more volatile, and it doesn't give you any dividend. But actually, the one thing you need to think about 2022 is free cash flow and low PE stocks. Don't think Exxon and Chevron and low PE stocks. They are not same time very expensive stocks too. So Chevron and Exxon is the best way top companies to play oil, okay, pure oil market. And also Halliburton and Schlumberger is the top way to play drilling markets. And if you do not want to play with individual names, the best way to play is ETFs. So XLE is diversified energy ETFs, which already went up by 15 to 20% in the last 3 weeks and a lot more potential to go. So, and then next ETF is VOIH, Vanek Oil Futures ETF, which actually includes a lot of drilling companies such as Baker Hughes, Halliburton, Schlumberger. So Schlumberger is one of my favorite in that sector. Symbol is SLB, B for boy, and which is the lowest PE and highest potential to go up, which already went up but still lot of margin to go up. So again, within energy you can buy anything, Marathon, Exxon or Chevron, anything. I own multiple of those names, but you have to be invested in oil. That is what I'm trying to say. So I feel it is much better to invest in oil, energy rather than crypto and Bitcoin, given the volatility and the way rotation is happening from high growth, speculative growth to value and free cash flow stocks. So that is the reason why I'm a big fan of value Berkshire and then big fan of energy stocks for this year. This is not my first video. This is like a third video. I am focusing on energy. So keep tab on energy stocks. If oil goes back to $78 or $80, and if even the oil did not go by 20%, energy ETF already went up by 20% in last 1 month. The pure reason is markets always stay ahead of the current situations. Even though price went up only like 5-6% from 78 to 83, so these energy ETFs already went up by 20%, expecting that oil will go to $90. Okay. So if oil is $100, there is at least another 20% potential for this XLE ETF or OIH ETF. So oil, I think energy is the best sector to invest in next 6 months to a year until the stock rotation stops to oil sector. So in my view, the tech stocks right now got pretty highly sold off. If tech stocks fall, actually Nasdaq falls another 5 to 10%, in my view, that is very bullish reason to buy back some of these tech stocks. Right now, oil stocks, I don't think they are overbought. There is still potential to go for oil to go up. So this is not really bad time right now, but you don't want to put all your money at the same time. So if you're already buying Berkshire, if you already bought a lot of oil this year, congratulations on your growth. But this is the best way, I believe, investing in 2022 in oil stocks is the best way to invest in. So again, this is not investment advice. This is my pure opinion based on what I have been reading and based on whom I have following, who have been rotating billions of dollars into oil this last couple of weeks. Hopefully you like the video. Please click the like button and see you on my next video. Thank you.